My dropshipping store made $1.2 million sales in only 9 months, and I use Facebook ads to scale my business. But the real question is, can you even do it today when AI is taking over almost everything and doing business is a lot easier than ever, which is resulting in more market saturation? And yes, you can do it if you implement the right strategies, which I am going to share with you in this video today. And there are single niche stores which are printing thousands of dollars every single day by implementing these exact strategies. And you can also use Facebook ads library to find few of them in your own niche, which I will show you later on in this video, how to find best trending stores in your niche and how to track the sales using AI. So here is what you are going to learn in this video today. What is dropshipping and how you can actually succeed in 2025. How to find winning products and track sales record of different stores using AI. How to create your own store and how you can list your products. And lastly, how you can spy on your competitor ads and how you can use this marketing tactics to scale your own business. Now, first of all, what is dropshipping? Basically, it's a simple business model where you don't hold any inventory and list third-party supplier products into your store. And once order comes in, supplier take the responsibility to ship that product directly to your customers. And then you can keep the margins after paying the cost to the supplier. Now, in books, it looks a simple, straightforward business model, but here is the tricky part. The traditional AliExpress and Amazon dropshipping business model that does not work anymore unless you are checking the product demand and market saturation. So basically what you will have to do is you will have to find the right suppliers with the right products, and that suppliers will have the local inventory in the warehouse. And after that, you can use different softwares to track the sales and revenue of that kind of products, and then you can order in bulk from Alibaba and put them onto your own warehouse. Now the tricky part is to find the winning products and from where you can get all of these revenue stats. Now to track the sales record, you can use Sell the Trend, which also integrates with AliExpress and Amazon, which shows you exact number of orders, product reviews, margins, and even ads of your competitors. So here is how you can start your own dropshipping business in 2025. First, go to the link in description and sign up using that link. After your sign up is complete, you will get a dashboard like this. Now this is all-in-one AI tool to manage everything related to your dropshipping business, which includes store creation, hosting, payment gateways, connecting your domain, and also if you have a store with Shopify, you can also integrate your store with Sell the Trend. Now after your sign up is complete, our first step is to find the winning products. But before I show you how you can use AI to find winning products using this tool, you need to understand there are 4 steps which are very important in your product selection. The first thing is your product price, and that should be sourced on the lowest price so that you can beat your competitors. Second is product demand and number of variations. So you must check how many sellers are already selling this product on Amazon and different stores, which will help you to analyze the market competition. And your product must have minimum number of variants, for example color and sizes. The third and main thing is your profit margins, and it should be around 60 to 70%, so that after product cost and marketing you should have at least 30 to 40% margins. The fourth and last thing is your product rating and number of reviews, which will eventually help you to measure the product quality, and this will also help you to scale your business with the returning customers. Now let me take you my laptop screen and I will show you step-by-step process how you can find winning products, and then how you can create your store and how you can market your store to generate sales. So first of all, go into Nexus AI product research, and here you can filter products in your niche, also by shipping country as well. Now all of these products have a track record of sales, reviews, and market competition. And you can also see the number of stores on which this product is selling. So simply go here in product research, and then you will be able to find out product cost, selling price, profit margins, and then number of rating as well. So you can see this product is basically selling on 2 stores and there is a 1 supplier, and also this product was added almost 10 days ago. So you can see there is a healthy profit margins and there are not plenty of stores which are selling this product. Now as you can see, there are 4 metrics which I have mentioned earlier: number of orders, then product price, then ratings, and then reviews. Now if you look into product insight, it's a low competition product. There are not too many sellers which are already selling this product because this is added recently, and also it has a good profit margins as I told you earlier. So this tool has a competition meter which will eventually show you how much the market is saturated. By checking the stores, you can also analyze their ads, which kind of creatives they are using to scale their business. Now after that, we have a hand-picked winner section where all the products are added manually by the team. So you can use the search bar to find the winning products. For example, if I want to analyze any product, Let's say if I want to analyze this one, you can see this product is added just 16 hours ago. And if I look into product research part, you can see this product has almost healthy margins, and this product has a good selling price, and also it has a higher price to cost ratio. As I told you earlier, that's mean you will get more margins, and you can eventually monitor the monthly sales of that product, which is $15,000. Now, as I told you earlier, this tool uses AI features, so you can see it has provided product description, and then you can also analyze Facebook ads and also TikTok ads as well. So here you can see the video of that product, which is a creative and it's posted on Facebook, and it's created using this AI tool. So if you go into product inside, you can see it is an evergreen product, it has an engaged audience, and then it has a good TikTok organic traffic. It is a trending product and it solves a specific problem. So major thing is, when you are selecting a product in your niche, you should understand your product should solve a specific problem related to a specific audience. In that way, you will be able to analyze what type of customers you are going to target in Facebook demographics. What is their age group, what is their gender, what is their behavior, and all of these things matter a lot when you are going to run Facebook ads. After that, as I told you earlier in previous product, this product has a low competition, and then you can also check your competitors, and then you can also check number of suppliers as well. And as I told you earlier, if you want to target some specific demographics, you can see here in Facebook section, we have all the demographics available, which shows us the keywords and then audience size. You can simply copy these demographics and then paste into your Facebook ads, which will eventually help you to scale your business using the right targeted audience. Now, using this specific AI tool, you can also spy on different niches and stores as well. If you go into this spy tool section, you can simply copy any store URL and then you can paste here, which will eventually show you number of sales and then number of orders. Now, let's say if I want to analyze the stats of this store, I will simply copy this URL and then I will paste here. Then it will show you number of sales and then top selling products. Now here you can see the store is created on 15 April 2022, and then you can see monthly traffic, you can see average order price, and then you can see monthly orders. You can also see monthly revenue as well. So if you want to analyze Facebook ads of this specific store, you can go here and it will show you number of ads which is running on this specific page. Next, as I told you earlier, you can see monthly revenue, and then you can see monthly orders, and also we have top selling marketing channels, and then we have best selling products, which are top selling products on this specific store. Now after your product and niche is finalized, the next step is to create your store. You can simply go here and then go into create or add a store. If you want to create your own store from scratch, you can go here, create sell shop. You can choose your store niche and then you can continue. After that, you will be able to put your store name. In my case, let's say if I put Saklan, and then you can choose your currency and then you can continue. Now you can see it has just started building my store. After that, you can click on continue. After that, you can click here and then you can go into shop settings. Now in shop settings, you have the dashboard section, then you can find products. You can also add your own products. You will see number of orders. Then you have your own customer list. After that, you can manage your own theme or you can create your own pages. For example, shipping policy, contact us, about us, or any page you would like to add. And after that, you have the app section from where you can install different apps. Now here is the payment gateway section in settings from where you can connect your own payment gateways. For example, Stripe or PayPal. And then you can also adjust your own shipping rates. And then we have the custom domain section where you can connect your own custom domain. If you have already purchased domain from any provider, for example GoDaddy, you can simply add here, or you can buy your own domain using Namecheap. This is how you will be able to create your own custom store from scratch. If you have already available store on Shopify, you can also connect it here. Let me show you how you can do that. Simply go back and then go here on the same section and then click on add store. In this part, simply select here Shopify and then install the app from Shopify store. Just click here and then click on install. Now you can see my Shopify store is connected with the app, and then I can start adding the product to my Shopify store. Now after your store is created and you have added your products, the next step is to market your store to generate sale. Now Sell the Trend has the AI marketing feature from where you can create organic ads for your products, which can be posted directly on TikTok, Facebook, or any kind of platform. Just click here and then go into marketing tools. Now while marketing your store, you have two options. Either you can create organic videos of your products which you can put on TikTok, Instagram or Facebook and then drive traffic to your store. And the second option is you can use paid ads, for example Instagram, Facebook, YouTube or Google Ads. Now, using this tool you will also be able to create videos of your products. You can simply put the product URL and it will able to create a video for you, or even you can upload your own product or different videos to combine in a single one. And if you want to analyze different demographics in your niche, you can also choose your niche and it will be able to provide you keywords which you can put into your Facebook ads. For example, if I choose a specific niche, it will show me different keywords which I can use into my own ads, and then it will show me interest, and also it will show me audience size, for example audience gender and audience age. Now you can also see we have different sections which you can use to analyze our audience demographics, and this tool also has a video creator section. In this section you can use a URL to fetch images of your products, or you can use your own images or videos to create a specific video. You can also enter your own brand name. You can also enter bottom bar text, top bar text and then ending screen text. This also has the option to select your own music and then color style and a specific video format to put video on different platforms. For example, you can see we have the landscape, we have the portrait and then we have the square option. You can also choose the number of seconds per image as well. And this tool will eventually help you to find best Facebook and TikTok ads. Just go into Ad Finder and you will be able to find different ads on Facebook and TikTok. Now here you will be able to observe different ads and creatives of different products. Now if I want to check any specific ad, I will simply go here and then I will click on inspect. Now in this section I can see an original ad of this specific product. I can see number of likes, number of shares, reactions and comments as well. And as I told you earlier, you can also use the store intelligence section which will eventually help you to track number of sales and number of orders. You can also check ad copy of your competitors which you can use into your own ads as well. So this tool has some awesome and powerful features which will eventually help you to scale your ads and scale your dropshipping business in 2025. Make sure to check the first link in description and sign up to get your free trial today. If you want more videos about this specific tool or anything you would like me to describe, make sure to mention in comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel and I will be back soon with more useful content. Bye bye.